Jamie Sykes and I'm one of the tutors at Band Factory for the Nottingham Music Service. Today we're going to have a look at the Paradiddle Diddle, which is right, left, left, left. So 2 singles followed by 2 doubles. With all of these, you don't need a practice pad. I'm using a practice pad. You can use your drum kit if you have one. If not, quite often I'll just tap on my legs. So right, left, 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 right, left, left. Or if you're left-hand lead, left, right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, paradiddle diddle. Okay, so let's bring that onto my practice pad, and I'm going to try and increase my speed on it. So right, left, left, 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 left. It's a really nice rudiment, and I can actually apply that to the kit by maybe taking my right, left, left up onto the hi-hat, doing it there once, right, left, and then bringing my right hand down to the snare drum for the first one of my next paradiddle diddle. Right, left, left. So right, left, 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 left. I've split it between a different voicing, so maybe I'll go with my snare drum. We're going to have a quick look at how I play triplets. So these are really useful. I use them all the time in fills and in beats. What we have is we're just basically going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and we're splitting that just a single stroke. So I'm going right, left, left, left. So the first of every 3 I'm going to accent. So right, left, left. So when I'm coming down, I'm bringing it from quite high, right, and then these 2 tiny little taps. There we go. Left, left. So once that stick's gone down, it's kind of staying really low. Right, left, left, right, left. As I said, these are really useful in both beats and fills. So say I've been playing a beat for a little while. I can use it in that context, or I can use it for my beats. So I'm getting that right, left, so on and so forth. We're going to be looking at combinations. So I'm going to follow one rudiment with another. I'm going to follow a double paradiddle, which is right, left, 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 with 2 paradiddle diddles. Right, left, left, and that twice. If you're not too sure on those, have a look at my previous 2 minute long lessons, and we'll have a go at that. So right, left, left, then my paradiddle diddles. So right, left, left, left. These combinations can be done anywhere on the kit and they sound really cool. So if I just split it, so my right hand's on the hi-hat, my left hand's on the snare. Right, left, have a go at that and see how you get on.